Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, standing in front of you all, in this video I will presentate about the talk is there is the art. So first, the maker of this book, there is Soo-hyang. Oh Soo-hyang is renowned communication expert, letters and others from South Korea. She is widely known for her widely known for her expertise in speaking techniques and self development. In Indonesia, her her name has become very popular thanks to her books, which have been translated into Indonesian and become bestseller. And the the bestseller book is this, the talk there is the art, and in communication is a skill. Speaking is not just innate talent, but a technique that can be learned. And why I chose this book, because turn talk into a weapon. Soo-hyang demonstrates that successful people aren't the smartest, but can rather the ones best able to convey the ideas compelling. This book provides a map for achieve that, overcoming nervousness. If you often feel anxious, or maybe you are um, what can we say, you cannot talk many, or maybe cannot or introvert, you are introvert, that can be, you can read this book for more um more good, or maybe you can more brave than before. And rather than simply telling you to be patient and calm down. um In short, this book is practical manual for those of you who want to be more appreciated through your words. And this is the main part of the book. There is, I just take 5 point of the book. I have many, but I just take these five. So the first is effective communication formula. C can be Q, XP, and XR. So one the key point of the book is formula for creating a flowing and enjoyable conversation. So the first is question. Ask question to show interest into the person you are talking to. So the second is price or price over sincere sincerest appreciation to make the person feel valuable, feel valuable. Reaction, give the anticipated or respond, so such a note or visual expression to show that you are listening. The second is good listening and good at speaking. Also yang empathize that great communicators are good listener. The 1, 2, 3 rules is speak once, listen twice, and respond or feedback is 3 times. Listening isn't just about remaining silent, but rather trying to understand emotional behind the other person word. So the third is the power of storytelling. This book teach the data are or fact are often boring, but story are always memorable. So if we are have a power of storytelling, that's make others people other person more more want to hear our story, or maybe our data about if you want to get some job, you can maybe storytelling more is the good one for show your what that your your skill, yes, your skill, and then use personal experience or relevant analogies to convey your message. A story that touches the hearts is far more effective at persuading others than regret, logical, and argument. And the fourth is technique for speaking with logic to ensure our statements are credible and carry weight. The other suggests several things. Provide clear and reasons. Don't just make a baseless statement and avoid leaps of logic. Don't jump to conclusion with successful evidence. Use simple word. Intelligent people are those who can explain complex matters in easy to understand language. The five is the fifth, non-verbal and voice aspect. Speaking skills aren't just about word verbal, but also your convey them visual. Appearance, eye contact, uh, appropriate gesture, great influence first impressions. Vocal, a good voice can be trained. The others provided tips on the diaphragmatic breathing, express exercise, and maintaining intonation to make your voice sound more authoritative and not boring. And the moral of this book is words are reflection of yourself. By by, improving the way we speak, we are not only change the way others see us, but also change the quality of our life and future mental strength. People who communicate well will tend to have strong self-confidence. If the thoughts are positive, your word will be powerful. The domino effect. One well placed sentence can open the door, a career, opportunity, or mend a broken relationship. While a careless remark and destroy years of hard work. Listening is a part of speaking. The true art of speaking begins with ability to listen and understand the person you are speaking. So your message hits the mark. And do I recommend the book? In my opinion, maybe yes, because um, you can improve your communication skills practically, not just with heavy theory. Here are some reasons, and you can why I choose this book. The highly rateable to read life. Osuyang doesn't use complicated academic language. She provided examples of scenario we often encounter, um, such how to speak during a job interview. That before I say, how to pursue others and how to diffuse unwork situation. Maybe about the design a little bit um, hard because the hierarchy little bit um, hard to understand. And maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.